Hey guys, hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. I had to come assist another technician that was having some problems on a walk-in freezer. So I want to point out some stuff. If you ever run into one of these, what to check, okay? So the reason why it's shaking so much, you got a K-body compressor with no springs, okay? There's supposed to be springs that sit right here. The heater that goes in the bottom was not even working, okay? Was not even working. So we were tripping out on our oil, low oil pressure. So I got that fixed. I got the heater back working again. We've got to come back. I got to order some springs for the bottom of this compressor. So yeah, just checking in. Y'all have a great night.